I just love to travel. It's the discovery of the world around us, and capturing those memories just brings me so much joy. It's a cool reflection, I love it.
These leading lines are so perfect.
I'm Suzette Allen, and I've been a professional photographer for over 30 years, and I'm a Panasonic Lumix ambassador. Oh, look at that, the lights just came out. This is what I live for. I love the magic of photography because it is a creative journey of discovery. Our natural eye sees like a 50mm lens approximately, but this has a 24 to 360. So when you're shooting, shoot up close with a wide angle, and then make sure that you shoot it the standard way you would see it, but then go far away and zoom in. You're gonna get a completely different look, and it helps you tell your story. One thing I really love is photographing flowers. When I'm in intelligent automatic on this camera, all I have to do is bring my camera close to a flower and it automatically goes straight to macro mode. And the fact that it has a 1-inch sensor is amazing. That allows me that beautiful shallow depth of field where my flower's in focus and the background just fades out beautifully, so unlike what you get with a smartphone. It's really important to know your camera and all of the different creative features it has, because when you're out in the field shooting, you see that scene, you are ready to go and you're not trying to learn your camera when you're out there missing the moment. So here's what's really great is the scene mode. There's 24 different scenes in here. If I see some kind of scene and I'm not sure how to shoot it, I can just flip through all these scenes and I don't have to worry about doing the heavy lifting. Look at that, can you believe that? All these panels fragment the image.
Oh, it looks so awesome.
Stills can tell a story and lots of variety is good, but the ultimate storyteller is video.
Video, bam.
So if I'm capturing action and I want to get the moment, I can actually shoot in 4K and pull that frame out of it. A lot of times we get caught up in the purpose and the outcome of things. But if you're doing something because it thrills your heart, that is enough. I love photography so much. I would do it every single day. I just love the ability to grab a camera, go out and just shoot, be creative, and have fun. It's just pure joy to me.